In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and get UK verified Revolut Business account. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Make sure you're on the official Revolut website, then look for the option to create an account and select it. When prompted, choose the United Kingdom as your country. This ensures your account is set up under UK regulations and gives you access to the correct verification and business features. Click Continue to move forward. Next, select your legal business type. Choose the structure that matches how your company is registered, such as a limited company or sole trader. Click Continue. Enter your email address, then continue again. Head over to your inbox and authorize the login using the message Revolut has sent you. This step confirms you have access to the email you provided. You'll now be asked for your phone number. Choose the correct country code first to avoid issues receiving texts or calls, then enter your number and continue. When the verification code arrives, type it in to confirm your device. Create a strong password you can remember, then continue. Enter your date of birth exactly as it appears on your official documents and continue. Provide your residential address, including house number and postcode, and continue again. Consistency matters here. Use the same format you use on ID documents to avoid delays. Now search for your business's legal name. If your company is on public registers, Revolut may find it automatically. Select it and continue. You'll then complete your business details. Enter the full legal name, your company's house registration number, and your date of incorporation. Double check these fields to match company's house records precisely. Then continue. Add your business address, city, and postcode. This should be the registered office address or trading address as applicable. Continue to proceed to verification. It's time to verify your identity. Click Continue and choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or driving license. Follow the on-screen prompts and start recording the short verification video when asked. Make sure you're in a well-lit space, hold your document clearly, and follow the instructions slowly so everything is legible. Submit the verification and wait for the review to complete. Processing can vary, but accurate, clear information speeds things up. Once your account is verified, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From here, you're ready to manage your business finances with a fully UK verified account. If anything doesn't match, revisit the details you entered and ensure they align with your official records.